Hi beauties! Today we're unboxing our new luxury jewelry mystery bags. Wish for pink, blue and red, and if the tag matches her wish color, she gets one free. New customer get an extra bag. Let's go! Pink! Get one more. The collection all pieces feature high-end designer styles made for luxury lovers. Lulu bracelet so beautiful. Blue, get one more. Chanel-inspired classic quilted diamond ring, timeless style, forever in fashion. The brand logo stamp is clearly visible. Yellow. Lulu bangle, square rhinestone frame, the metal logo, clear inner stamp. Easy to open. Pink, get one more. Pink CC ring with an open band, fits every finger size perfectly. Pink, get one more. Matching pink CC bracelet. The charms are movable so you can rearrange them freely. Green. Lulu inspired thin band ring covered with tiny rhinestones. So nice. Yellow. CD crystals start hoop earrings, super shiny. Blue, get one more. Same series pink CC earrings. Purple. CD woven border crystal letter hoops, so nice. Red, get one more. Sparkly clover necklace, white shell inlay. Green. TD gold bead bracelet, classic green. Blue, get one more. Pink CC full set, stylish matching. Purple. Celine style necklace, elegant and high-end. We ended up going from 5 bags become 13 bags. That's absolutely crazy. Free gift times. Thank you so much. Let's open Tammy's 8 luxury jewelry mystery bags. She doesn't wish color, so I randomly selected pink, white and red, and if the tag matches wish color, she gets one free. New customer get an extra bag. Yellow. BGL style earrings so shine. Orange. CC antiqued vintage AB style chain heart drop earrings. Purple. Lulu diamond bangle, looks lively. Easy to open. Pink, get one more. Soft and refined CC earrings. White, get one more. Blue. Antiqued vintage ghee earrings with red rhinestones. Blue. T classic silver bead bracelet. Pink, get one more. Hollow multi-letter ring. Pink, get one more. Pink D bangle, so beautiful. Yellow. Nail-shaped ring, minimalist and elegant. Red, get one more. Pink heart diamond low earrings, so nice. Green. See full tiny rhinestones classic earrings. Green. Lulu bracelet. The details are exquisite. Every mini charms is carved with classic patterns. Red. Get one more. Silver hoops. So beautiful. Purple. Double layer chain necklace with lock and key pendant, casual and distinctive. So crazy, Tammy, your 8 mystery bags become 15, congrats, free gift for you. Thank you so much.